I am so excited to bring new fabrics, new fun everyday fabrics that are just beautiful. So this first one, these are pinks. This has texture on it. I mean, I know you can't feel it, but it's like a little bit of raised print, which is really happening today on a lot of fabrics. They've got dimension to them. So this is just really cool. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. I mean, a little bit of stretch in both directions, but isn't that adorable? Just as cute as can be. And of course, everything goes together. It all blends together. Look at that. It just all works together. We're calling this the whole hot pink baby. This is a ITY, but it's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It would work for leggings if you wanted to do something like that, or any top. It's just fun. Just a really pretty color, and you can see that again it goes with just everything, works well together in this collection. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. Isn't that pretty? Great drape, thin but good drape. This is our 100% cotton. Also, we had a purple in this color, but this is just really a beautiful pink. You can see again it's got the black and the white. It's got a little bit of orange. Just really contemporary. Again, 100% cotton. These are all $12.99, you guys, today and tomorrow. Look at this. This is so soft. I just wish you could feel how soft this is. It's amazing. It's wonderful. It has stretch in both directions. It's just gorgeous. The ribbed tee would be cute. A little cardi would be really cute. Just 201, if you look at that, I think would be adorable in this. And then this is reversible. This is 100% cotton. Oh, this is a cotton poly. I don't know if I said that. This is 100% cotton. It's reversible and should be used. It's actually, when you look into it, it's 2 layers. There's 2 layers there, but they're combined at the selvage. It's pretty great fabric. But do something where you can roll up the sleeves and show the other side, or just something maybe like 350, Stephanie's blouse, where you could use both sides and do a bias. I think 350 would be adorable on this blouse. It'd be so cute. Anyway, this is a wonderful collection. $12.99 today, tomorrow. Happy pink sewing from Silhouette Patterns.